Hi everybody, this is Eugene O'Loughlin, Lecturer in Computing at the National College of Ireland, and welcome to my series of short how-to videos. In this video, we're going to learn how to embed a Google map into a PowerPoint 2010 presentation. So before we show you how to do this, here's a slide already prepared with a fully functional Google map embedded on it. We can remove this information window here. I can move the map around. I can change from satellite view to ordinary map view. Zoom in, zoom out as I choose, remove this panel on the left hand side, and even if I choose to search, I'm going to search for the nearby Trinity College, and Google Maps will display the results of my search in the window here. So in other words, I've got a fully functional Google Maps web page embedded on my PowerPoint presentation. And this means I don't have to use links to go out to the Google Maps separately, I don't have to use screenshots, and I don't have to close down PowerPoint, open up a browser, and show whatever I need to show on my Google Maps. In my case here, I'm showing it to give directions to National College of Ireland and to Trinity College, as you see here. You can use it to show directions to your office, to other locations, to points of interest, or to show it for any reason that you might use Google Maps in your presentation. So how do we do this? Well, the first thing to note is that PowerPoint itself doesn't have the facility for embedding web pages like Google Maps onto a slide. We need a workaround for this. And one of the easiest and best ways to do this is to download and install a free live web add-in which comes from the Office Tips website. The short URL for it is here. And that site is run by Microsoft MVP Shyam Pillai. And this is a free live web app add-in that will allow you to embed pages onto PowerPoint slides. There are full step-by-step detailed instructions on how to install this add-in from the howtogeek.com website. Just go to the home page there, search for live web, and it will bring you straight to the easy to read and understand instructions. And once you have the add-in installed, it will appear on your drawing tools ribbon in PowerPoint, like you see in the graphic here, circled in red at the right hand side. The live web add-in is displayed. The option that we are most interested in is the web page option with the little globe and the link that you see here circled in red. So I'm running PowerPoint here at the moment, so let me escape out of this and go into edit mode. And let's just say now that we are ready to embed our Google map. So the first thing, of course, to do is to set up our Google map. So let me switch over to a browser here. And I'd like to show directions to the National College of Ireland. So I've got my map centered on Dublin, so I'm going to zoom in here until I get more detail about where the college is. We can see the National College of Ireland displayed in the center here. I can click on the pin to show some more detail. And let's say I'm now happy with the resolution, the display, the level, the detail and so on that I have for my map. And I'd like to be able to display this map, as I see it here, as a starting point in my PowerPoint presentation. So all I need to do this is to get a link to this particular map. And over here on the left hand side, Google provides this right beside the print button. There is a link option, so click on that button there. And that displays, highlighted in blue in my case here, a link to this map. So just simply right click on that and copy that link. And that's it. That's all you have to do in Google Maps. So I'm ready to switch back over to PowerPoint. And I'm now ready to install and embed the Google Maps onto my slide. So choose the Insert ribbon. From the Live Web add-in, select Web Page. This displays the Live Web pop-up window here. So just simply paste in, I'm using Shift Insert here, paste in the link that you've just copied from Google Maps. Don't make any changes to it. You don't need to even understand what this says. Just click the Add button. Then click Next. Accept the refreshing web page automatically here and click Next. I'm going to change the size of my embedded map from 90% down to 75%. Leave it at the center of the slide and click on Next. Finally, click on Finish here to complete the embedding process. And then PowerPoint will display in the background here a graphic representing my map. Just click on OK to remove that last message telling you that the map was successfully installed. Now this is just a graphic here, so in order to see what the map looks like, we need to run this. We can move this around, resize it, whatever we want to do. When I run the slide, click on the slideshow icon. The map will be displayed in the position that I have just put it. So this is a fully functional map. I can remove that again. Zoom in and zoom out. Remove the panel on the left hand side. I can even use Google Street View should I choose. So I'm going to drag the little Street View icon over here and drop them in front of the college. And this is the square outside the college. I'll just circle around to the front of the National College of Ireland here. And this gives me all the functionality of Google Maps that I can use right here in my PowerPoint presentation. I can zoom back out of this to give me the maps that I want. So that's how you embed a Google Maps into a PowerPoint presentation. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for your attention.